Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated world of the Garmin Fenix 8. Known for its unparalleled reliability, the Garmin Fenix series has become a staple for outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and adventure seekers. With its robust durability, comprehensive tracking capabilities, and a suite of cutting-edge features, the Fenix line consistently sets a high benchmark in the adventure smartwatch market. As rumors about the upcoming Garmin Fenix 8 circulate, excitement is mounting around the innovative advancements this new model could bring. One of the Fenix 8's most remarkable attributes is its versatile design, tailored to suit various user preferences. Reports suggest that the Fenix 8 will be available in 3 distinct sizes: 43 mm, 47 mm, and 51 mm. This range ensures that users can select a watch that best fits their wrist and style. The design is rumored to feature premium materials, with options for both stainless steel and titanium bezels and bodies. These materials not only elevate the aesthetic appeal of the watch, but also significantly enhance its durability, making it an ideal companion for demanding outdoor activities. In addition to solar charging, the Fenix 8 is expected to feature energy-efficient hardware components that help conserve power without sacrificing performance. This focus on energy efficiency means users can enjoy all the advanced features of the Fenix 8 without constantly worrying about recharging. Whether you're embarking on a multi-day hike, training for a marathon, or just going about your daily activities, the Fenix 8 is designed to deliver reliable performance with optimal battery management. As anticipation builds around the Garmin Fenix 8, the pressing question remains: when will it be available? While Garmin has yet to make an official announcement, industry insiders and tech enthusiasts speculate that the Fenix 8 could be unveiled as early as September 2024. This release would align with Garmin's typical product launch cycle, keeping fans eager to experience the latest in smartwatch innovation. The Garmin Fenix 8 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of adventure smartwatches. With its rumored AMOLED display, advanced training features, enhanced navigation capabilities, and potential for voice control and hands-free communication, the Fenix 8 promises to offer a comprehensive suite of tools for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. Coupled with its durable design, versatile sizing options, and cutting-edge solar charging capabilities, the Fenix 8 could set a new standard for what a smartwatch can do. That's all for now. For more updates and in-depth tech discussions, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.